Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm WendyO, and we're going to be talking about XRP and Dogecoin in this bull market. Will they rebound? Will they hit all-time high? We'll go back and see. Oh, the crypto series for Ran. So it's not his series, it's Killer Whales, it's Paul's. And me and Ran are just guest judges. Just guest judges. Hold on a second. Is there an emergency? Hold up. Hold on. Anyways, let's get back into it. Sorry, I've got everything going on right now. Get you some good old lo mein. Yeah, I love. All right, so shout out to Mike, to Alexandra, to Mr. R, to Lil D, love you too, Stinky, to Mr. John, to Crypto Keeter, to Mr. R, and shout out to Queen. And shout out to TikTok and to YouTube. But let's get straight into it. Let's break this down because we got some stuff to talk about. And I feel good today. You guys, I've been in a year and a half depression, really, really bad. And I'm starting to feel like myself, feel good about myself again. Depression sucks. Oh my God. My nephew was over yesterday and he took the baby Yoda that I was using for my back support. But I'm starting to feel good. About life again. And it's nice. It's really, really, really nice. And getting my peace back. Depression sucks. And I've struggled with it since I was 7 years old, but it's starting to get back to normal. But anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts to yourmom.com. Okay. Our hair is clean. It's not dusty today. And I'm going to talk about the self-care lab in a little bit because I got another announcement. Anyways, let's get straight into it. Today, I do want to really kind of focus heavily on XRP and Dogecoin because those are two top cryptos that we have talked heavily about on the show that are favorites. People absolutely love them. And the reason why we want to talk about them is because there's some things that you guys love. Will they be able to hit all-time high? What's their backstory? What's going on with them? Okay, let's go ahead and talk about that. So first, before we do that, let's take a look at the entire crypto market cap. This is Crypto Bubbles. W, which is the wormhole airdrop that people got. Up 17.9%. Bonk your bonk if you want to bonk. No internet connection. Oh, hell no. 13.5%. And then when we go over to Trading View, the internet we better not have any internet problems today. Internet access. If we have problems with the internet, let me know. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a quick look at Bitcoin because she's our queen bee. She's our leader. She's our paid group leader. Just kidding. No, we always take a look at Miss Bitcoin first and then we go ahead and go to the other stuff. And no, I have not gotten my stuff up and running again with my indicators. I need to do that. I reached out to CryptoFace from Market Cipher. It's like, give me my access again. So this is what's happened with Bitcoin. This is the weekly. Nothing too incredibly important here. Just kind of, we're going sideways. And really what that means is that it could potentially be a reversal. We could get another move down to the 20% pullback, which is about 58.7, and then potentially that 30% pullback at about $50,000. We could get that. Taking a look at the daily, this is just indicating a lot of price action. We do look a little bit toppish here. So really, unless we're able to get back up to about $72,000 and flip above, we might experience some more downside action. All we really need to do on the daily is just kind of draw a trend line and you can see we are, I guess the first target would be able to flip above about $65,000 here. Also too, we are partnered with Femex and Coinbase and CoinCatch. The links are down below if you're interested. If not, that's fine. But with those, anytime you use a crypto exchange, even if you're getting it from an influencer or not your keys, not your coins, and you need to read the terms of service and understand how they work. Now, taking a look at CoinMarketCap, nothing out of the usual here. Dogecoin is currently number 8, and XRP is number 7. So we are talking about two top 10 cryptocurrencies that have been in the game for a long time. So this is Dogecoin's website. And we're going to talk about technical analysis, but let's kind of talk about market cycles a little bit and a little bit of the history of both Doge and XRP, because sometimes we forget about that. So Dogecoin is an old school meme coin. It is the meme coin that did its thing. It really, really kind of kicked it off over here. And squidgrow is also a meme coin too. I'm partnered with them and I do consulting for them and whatnot, but squidgrow is a utility meme. And I feel like Dogecoin is a utility meme now. I digress. So anyways, if you guys don't remember, Dogecoin was created in 2013 by two software engineers, Bill Marcus and Jackson Palmer. They were working at IBM and Adobe at the time. I have a family member that worked over at IBM as well. And they created Doge as a joke, making fun of speculation in crypto at the time. And the peak market cap was over $85 billion in 2021, and the all-time high was 74 cents. And Elon Musk had shielded this heavily. It was a big, people loved it, and people still do love it. So let's take a look at Dogecoin. Can Dogecoin break that all-time high? And remember, I was battling with TikTok. I was battling with you guys. I was like, we are not going to get above $1, and we didn't hit above $1. So this is the Binance. I want to find an older Doge chart for you so you guys can really kind of see how cyclical this is. Not OKX, where's not Coinbase. Bitfinex, yeah. Bitfinex is always a great chart to use because it's one of the oldest crypto exchanges, or you can go to Crypto Coin Trader Pro, and I believe that's free still. So this is Bitfinex for Dogecoin. Let's go ahead and reset the chart. There's some old tools. Let's go ahead and remove our drawing tools here. So this is Dogecoin, okay? Back over here, we've got, they just listed in 2021? Damn you. Damn you. Damn you, damn you. Wendy's never ready. Why would I be ready? Why would I be ready? Doing anything ever in life? Never. Hot Mess Express. Huckster. Okay. So this is Dogecoin. This is Dogecoin. This is, CoinMarketCap. So it's going to aggregate all of the data from you since inception. And I first entered Dogecoin in 2018. I bought it at 40 to 60 sats, and I still have a moon bag. And let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. So can Dogecoin break this all-time high of 74 cents? Well, let's go ahead and pull up some drawing tools and kind of take a look at what potentially could happen. Here's the price range. We're currently trading here at about 15 cents. In order for Dogecoin to break all-time high, we would need to hit about 300. We would need a 383% pump, okay? And the market cap that we have on our notes over here indicates that it was $85 billion in 2021. So let's go ahead and go back to CoinMarketCap, and let's take a look at Dogecoin's current market cap. So their current market cap here is $21 billion. $21 billion. So really thinking about it, Dogecoin, I think, can do 4, 6, 8, 4 times. I think it can, especially in the deep bull market. I think it could. But again, it's still a risk, and it is a favorite. I feel like it is a lot safer of a meme coin than a lot of these newer ones, primarily because it's just got such a big fan base. But this chart here looks crazy, right? It looks crazy. And again, Dogecoin is cyclical. Even if you go back and you look at this data and you zoom in all the way back from 2017, it pumps and dumps and pumps and dumps and pumps and dumps. This is what it does, but it's traded a little bit differently. So with Dogecoin, I think that we could hit an all-time high of 74 cents. We would need to have a market cap of 100 billion for it to maybe hit $1. And I think that that is definitely possible. And even when we do take a look at the total crypto market cap on TradingView, we do see, let's go ahead and remove these. Well, actually, let's go to the weekly. The all-time high here, for the all-time high for market cap was $3 trillion. And this would have been, and we received a 2,000% pump. If we wanted to just get 1,000 pump from this all-time low at $712 billion to 1,000 pump, that would be $8 trillion. So I think it's doable. I definitely think that it's doable for Dogecoin. But again, not financial advice, just my opinion. And now let's go ahead and cover XRP really quickly, because it's another favorite. So if you guys don't know, XRP is a token that Ripple Labs uses to facilitate transactions on a network, and it's open source digital asset independent of Ripple, so completely separate assets. It was founded in 2011 by Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson, and I know a lot of people that made a lot of money on Ripple way back in the day. And the company has had multiple products that aim to solve digital global payment issues through remittance system, payment, settlement, and exchange. If a person uses XRP as a bridging currency, it is possible to settle cross-border transactions in less than 5 seconds on the open source ledger, which is open source ledger blockchain at a fraction of the cost of more traditional methods. And XRP, also too is it's a banker's coin. They come to be a little bit more centralized, and it's more of a banker's coin, which makes sense because they want to have a stable coin, and they have a lot of partnerships with bankers and all those types of things. So it's not necessarily a bad thing, but it's not decentralized like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the most decentralized crypto assets. XRP had an all-time high of 384, and in 2020 they were charged by the SEC, accused of illegally raising 1.3 billion in unregistered securities offering. But we do know that the Ripple is currently in their battle with the SEC, and I think that's really the only thing kind of being held over Ripple's head right now as far as XRP price action goes, as to why we have an appreciating price. And I actually do believe that the SEC should be sued for damages by the American people, or by XRP holders, because suing XRP for an unjust reason caused a lot of problem. To me, it's market manipulation. That's my personal opinion. And I do think that, the Ripple case was super important. I appreciate what they did, but again, it just sucks that happened. But we do have this really great case law that XRP is not a security on the secondary market, which means that other crypto assets can, thank you, Callie. And that we can use the case law for the Ripple outcome that XRP is not a security on the secondary market for other crypto assets. But it's unfortunate that we've seen this stuff kind of happen and XRP is getting unjustly gaffled up. I think it's wrong. But again, I think that they're going to be fine. I think that they definitely are a banker's coin and they will rebound. So, all right, let's see. So even though we didn't break, the all-time high for XRP was almost, it was about $3.84. And that was back in 2018. 2019, it was, 2021, it was 185. So what I'm going to do, we're taking a look at the weekly chart. I'm going to pull up some price ranges for us. So from all-time low to 12 cents to all-time high of about $3.30. That was 2,500%. And then down over here, the all-time low of 17 cents to the all-time high of 192 in the last bull market is 1,000% pump. So this is just fractal based technical analysis, and this necessarily isn't very accurate all the time, but I'm just showing this to you for a little bit of perspective here. Okay. So we had a 2,500% pump in 2017. In 2021, 1,000% pump. So let's just say, for example, we only get a pump of 500% for Ripple. That would bring us to about $1.78. Do I think that it is doable? Yeah, I think that it is definitely doable to hit a target of 178. What about breaking all-time high? I'm not sure. One of the reasons why I'm not sure that we would break all-time high again is because Ripple is kind of, I feel like XRP is really, really, really transferred over to a banker's coin to an extent. But I feel like with their stablecoin and whatnot, I'm just not seeing how price is going to continue to go upward too terribly much. Like, we're going to get a lot of volatile price action unless they're going to be using the XRP token for more and more things. So please correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong about this, if the XRP token is going to be used for a lot more things, please send it to me so that I know, so I can report on it. I would be happy to cover it. But for XRP, I feel like Dogecoin, I can see it hitting $1. But for Ripple, I would feel comfortable giving a target of $1.78 for the bull market. That's just my personal opinion. Do what works for you. That's just my thing. Anyways, if you guys want to use my ref links to trade, it's cryptowendyO.com, where we're with CoinCatch, and we are also with Femex. The links are in the lead description. I will put them here. But if you want to trade XRP or Dogecoin, they're on all those exchanges. And again, not your keys, not your coins. And you got to read the terms of services. Now, let's go ahead and, smash the like, you guys. We got 300 of you in here, but only 70 likes. So let's get into the next story, okay? Let's talk about Blackrock. So Blackrock's Bitcoin ETF daily inflow hits 0 for the first time. This is a big deal. Very, very big deal. Let's talk about it. Since its launch on January 11th, IBIT had usually seen millions per day, 15.5 billion in 71 days. Yesterday, 11 total Bitcoin ETFs, Fidelity, Wise, Origin Bitcoin Fund, and ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF were the only two to record inflows. Interesting. So what's this going to do with the market? Guess what? I have no idea. No idea. But I think the most important piece of information here is, to date, the Bitcoin ETF market in the US has accumulated a net 12.3 billion in Bitcoin. However, GBTC outflows have offset some of the inflows notched by the remaining 9 Bitcoin ETFs. As of Jan 11th, outflows from GBTC exceed 17 billion. To me, I believe that this means that they've accumulated enough Bitcoin that they can at this time, and they're going to have to wait. And again, a lot of people talk about how bullish the ETFs are. And the reason why they say that is because when there's not enough supply for the demand met, number goes up. So people expect to see a supply shock. We'll have to wait and see how that happens. And it was also rumored that the SEC is going to deny the Ethereum spot ETF. Maybe they will, but I think that they will get sued if they do. And just because Blackrock is behind it, I just don't see that happening. But anyways, let's get into this one over here. Morgan Stanley may soon allow brokers to pitch Bitcoin ETFs to customers. This is another big one. Once this is allowed to happen, because Morgan Stanley wants to allow 15,000 brokers to recommend spot Bitcoin ETFs to clients. So initially, the Bitcoin ETF purchases were permitted on an unsolicited basis. This move could potentially reignite momentum in funds. Now, what does this mean? Well, if you have 15,000 brokers that are able to recommend the Bitcoin spot ETF to clients, I don't know how many clients they have, but this could also push Bitcoin higher. The reason why it would push Bitcoin higher, it's the same ideology as we talked about, like the inflows and outflows. The same ideology here is that you have somebody that wants to purchase something. There's not enough of it out on the market, so number goes up, supply and demand. That's the way that I look at it, because I think all these fancy words and whatnot are just ridiculous, and it just means number goes up. So yes, it will be a Bitcoin bear market. Yes, number will eventually go down. But again, I still feel like we're in the very early stages of the bull market. Got to go to AA. Shout out to you sending you love and light. You got this, and I'm proud of you. So I think it's super bullish. Anyways, Bitcoin ruins transactions are taking over the network and dominated BRC20 right now. Let's talk about this. We talk about runes on the show all the time. If you want to make money, you will pay attention to runes. You will pay attention to BRC20. You will pay attention to what is being built on Bitcoin. We have talked about this heavily on the channel, and we will continue to do so. Okay. Right now, what's making people money right now are meme coins and BRC20. So figure it out. And we cover it on. And I'm going to be doing some content with somebody on the show, and we're going to figure some stuff out together. But anyways, so Bitcoin rooms accounted for over 81% of transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain on Tuesday. Shout out to Taco Tuesday. Regular Bitcoin transactions represented 19% of transactions. BRC20 tokens and ordinals were 0.2% and 0.1%. Runes also dominated in terms of fees collected, making up 64% of fees, around $133 million. What does this mean? Well, because of runes and because of the action that's happening on Bitcoin, we are seeing the miners make money. When the miners are making money, they're able to facilitate the network transactions a lot better and to deal with those blocks. That's good. That's positive. Because in the past, so this is the thing with Bitcoin mining. It is very expensive. There's extreme overhead for it. And if the miners are not compensated enough, if they're not making enough, then they shut down their facilities, which is problematic. Way back when, before 2020, there weren't really collateralized loans for Bitcoin. And we're able to do that now. So the miners are able to take out collateralized loans on their earnings, et cetera, not necessarily sell the Bitcoin. But this is good and it's positive. And the fact that that Bitcoin price is really kind of trading at that $60,000 area and the miners are making money, this is fantastic. It's good. So I think runes and BRC20 is great for the ecosystem. So since the launch of the new runes protocol, nearly 700,000 users have etched around 8,000 runes, resulting in a combined 3.1 million transactions related to runes. Basically, runes are BRC20 2.0. So there's just all this kind of stuff happening. And if you're not super tech savvy, you don't really know what to do with runes, take a look at the Bitcoin Ninjas Pizza Discord. I think that they are helping people. I'm going to be working with somebody to bring you guys some kind of content on how to do a lot of these things because it's still so complicated. And if you're just like, hey, just take a step back and watch like me. You don't have to, and I do own ordinals and different things, but just you don't have to get super crazy excited about it. Like you can watch it take place because right now there's like a drama between runes and between BRC20 and everybody's fighting. This is a scam. This is blah, 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 blah. And really at the end of the day, they're just trying to figure out what needs to be done. And that's good. That's fantastic because we have people creating really dope stuff. So, Dog to the Moon, Dog, a Bitcoin meme coin etched via Runes protocol, was airdropped to holders of the Runestone Ordinal project yesterday. I got to check my wallet. The market cap hit over 335 million. Let me see if I got my stuff. Let's see. All right, let's see what I got. My runestones dump so hard, but it's so funny. I have to figure out where to check for the doggy things because I don't know where in the hee-haw they are. I got a pizza rune. And then I got my Bitcoin pizza ninja over here, my little guy. I don't know where he is. So where's my wallet? Yeah, I don't know. I got to check this. Okay, I got some Bitcoin received to me yesterday. I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I need to figure this out. Anyways, we'll deal with this later. I'm busy. But yeah, I need to make sure I got my dog coins because I own the runestone thingamabobbers. But anyways, let's get into this next story. Solana over here. What's going on? So Solana floor powered by Step Finance. I had a bag of Step Finance at one point. I don't know where the hell it went. Probably part of the crypto contagion. Who knows? Anyways, Solana has passed every blockchain, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, in a yearly NFT blockchain user adoption. This is the reason why. Meme coins. They're easy to use. They're affordable to use. You got Phantom Wallet. Everybody knows how to do it, which makes them different than BRC20 tokens. So again, we rock with them over here. Shout out to Francisco for the $4.99 super chat. And thank you for the 300 plus people in here right now. Grifting, smash a like. And also too, let me know. Do you guys like Doge or XRP? We got XRP fam up in here. Did you invest into runes already? Seems hard to get. I have rune stones. I haven't had a chance to really dig into the ecosystem yet. I haven't, but we'll see. You know, I'm okay with investing in things and losing money to test things out. I like it. Anyways, this was the story I was telling y'all. Anyways, the US SEC expected to deny spot Ethereum ETFs next month, industry sources say. I don't know if this is true or not. And this is the thing, you guys. If they freaking deny the Ethereum ETFs, the spot ones, Grayscale will sue them again. Yes, Grayscale will sue them again. And on top of it, I also think that Blackrock will sue them too. So I don't know. I feel like it's going to get approved, but then again, it might not get approved this year. It might get approved when we get a new president because Mr. B, he's a cuckoo guy. He's a cuckoo guy. So anyways, this story basically says that the SEC folks, they're meeting to reject the Ethereum ETFs, even though we had 2 SEC lawyers resign recently. Recent discussions with the SEC lack substance and detail compared to previous talks on Bitcoin ETFs. Despite arguments and attempts to address concerns, the SEC's stance suggests denial. So we'll see. We will see. All right, you guys. So we give back on the show. As most of you know. And so let me tell you something. So I put out a video on Polkadot yesterday. We partnered with them, and the grant that we got, 100% of it was donated to the self-care lab. Initially as in Pomona, California, now in Montclair, California. We've been raising money for them always. That's one of my 2 organizations I will raise money for. Self-care lab, using boxing as a form of mental health for inner city kids and for anyone who wants to come in, and House of Ruth. So everything we made from partnership with Polkadot going straight to self-care lab. And so we're doing a mention for them. So please watch this and share it, because if we can keep our numbers up, we can get more partnerships like this, and then we can continue to give back. Okay. And 100% of the money goes to Miss Nita, which she runs a nonprofit. Well, it goes to the nonprofit, the self-care lab, and it goes right back to the kids, whether it's to pay for rent or equipment, or so that she could stay later and make sure these kids have somewhere to be, etc. So Gavin Wood released his gray paper for what they call JAM. It is designed to make... Hey, I live stream from 10 to 11 every day, and you're live right now. Can you call me after those times or before? Hello. That's okay. I gotta go. Bye. Let's restart this. Shout out to Polkadot for partnering with the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. 100% of the partnership money was given to the self-care lab. So Gavin would release his gray paper for what they call JAM. It's designed to make Polkadot more modular and simple, combining elements of Polkadot and Ethereum. Most people think modular is better design. We're not going to get into all of the tech here today, but if you want a good primer on the tech, check out my review from yesterday. It's pretty good. and then dive into the new proposal. So basically, Polkadot is ideal for decentralized AI because of what they call parachains, and this new proposal would make it even better. No new tokens, everything still runs on DOT, and if you don't understand the tech, it's okay. But if you want to learn about Polkadot and blockchain, Polkadot is a good place to start. Anyways, they've been around for a long time, and I'm also excited to see, since they're not launching a new token, how they're going to fit in with crypto and AI, because a lot of these AI projects, they have tokens. So we'll have to kind of see what's going on with that. We'll have to see. Anyways, shout out to the 321 of you watching that you guys stood through the mention. Thank you. All right, make sure to share this because we got to get our numbers up. Now let's talk about the drama yesterday with hbar. Okay. Oh, and this is this is Gavin Wood, and he unveiled the JAM gray paper earlier. Anyways, let's talk about this. So let's talk about the whole hbar drama thing. Okay. Please, because this is the last time I'll be talking about hbar on the show for a while, because the community needs to not come for me. You guys come for me way too hard, and when I'm trying to be unbiased news source, and if I don't say your coin is going up, numbers going up, you guys come for me. It's ridiculous. hbar community, do not stoop to the level of some of the other communities. Y'all are better than that. So anyways, I'm going to give you guys a statement from the community member, the hbar bull, and then we ain't going to talk about this drama anymore. Okay. So ARCX, and this is the Blackrock hbar partnership. ARCX, the only regulated tokenized security exchange, tokenized a Blackrock money market fund on Hedera. The tokenization on the fund and the associated press release was approved by Blackrock. Though there was significant communication between Blackrock, ARCX, and Hedera on the fund tokenization, the Blackrock approved press release made by available to CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, who refused to run the story. A Cardano influencer, the OC Crypto Bro, said hbar Foundation was misleading and seems to have initiated the narrative, which was picked up by CoinDesk and Cointelegraph, then posted a similar sentiment, who cited his post despite refusing to run the initial approved press release. So now we've got Cardano versus hbar. The Cardano community, some of y'all love me, some of y'all hate me because Charles has came for me before. So guess what? Leave me the hell alone. Leave me the hell alone. I own Cardano. I'm probably going to add more hbar, but y'all need to stop bickering. Focus on your own communities and building. She's Louise. Anyways, let's take a look at hbar price-wise. I'm going to take a look at Cardano too, so y'all don't come for me and say, Winnie didn't give fair, a wallet with 5.1 million USD was just frozen from where? From who? Callie? Take a look at Cardano so y'all don't cry about it. So there's a Cardano. That sucks. Well, I think I got Cardano. I don't know where the hell I got it, but my bag was up. So Cardano needs to pump again. I don't know what's going on with you, Cardano, but you need to move. You need to hold support here at 45 cents, and you need to pump back up to 82 cents. And then after 82 cents, I want you to hit hard $1.20. So this is what I want to see from Cardano. So Cardano whales, send it. Okay? So this would be a bullish case for Cardano. Crypto turf wars are dumb because it's just a bunch of dweebs. Let's take a look at hbar. Let's do this one right here. Okay, so hbar had that crazy move up to 18 cents, currently trading around 12 cents, which isn't too terribly bad. Not too bad. It is still heading downwards a little bit, so hopefully we can sustain around 11 cents and consolidate and go back up. But overall, if you can get... I wish that we were able to, I actually wish hbar had a bigger dump so that we can, for a move up. Because I do think hbar will do well. I really, really do think hbar will do well because they are working hard. I don't know about the action on chain, but I think it will do well. It's a top crypto. So fingers crossed that these bags pump and everybody gets happy and people stop getting mad at each other. All of the things. All right. Anyways, let's get into the next story over here. Oh, we have another partnership over here. Another partnership to Navi. Wait, where's my thingamabobber go? Okay, let's go and get this done. So shout out to Navi for partnering with the O Show. We did a review on them, and it's actually pretty cool because this is actually something I would use. I use navigation all the time because even though I've been in the city where I'm at for a long time, I get lost all the time. So Atlas Navi, they built an awesome navigation app with drivetoearn. Scan the roads ahead in real time, not just mapping. Detects traffic accidents and real-time navigation. So it's basically a Waze, but crypto. It even finds parking spaces for you. Uses AI and machine learning to get smarter as you see it. Earn Navi tokens plus hedge discounts at the gas station up to 75% off, which we need because in California is freaking $5 a gallon. And a big announcement, they just launched NFTs to boost the earnings and they're having a mint. So let's go ahead and head over there really quickly. Navi. And then this one over here. Okay. So these are the booster NFTs over here. These are cute. They're fun. But it's cool. It's basically like a Waze. Anyways, it is a really limited quantity, so they probably will mint out fast. So if this is something you're interested in, take a look at it. And if you guys want to go to their, I can't even think right now. The links are down below. Check them out. If this is something that's interested you, I probably am going to use this because it makes sense. It literally makes sense. But anyways, let's get into the next story. I am also giving a shout out to Chuck on Base. Chuck is a Base project. So those of you who are asking to degen on Base, the reason why we're giving Base a shout out is they sent a $350 donation to the self-care lab for me. So if big shout out to them. So we're giving them a shout out. And it's a dog themed meme coin on Base. The token is a passport to an exclusive club. Owning Chuck grants access to the Telegram group and Chuckbot. Their bot provides crucial insights into markets and more. Get access to NFTs, games, and exclusive content, and you can earn Chuck. Transaction includes a 0.99% tax, and a portion is allocated to supporting dog charities, but they've been so kind enough to donate to the Self-Care Lab. If you guys would like to donate to the Self-Care Lab, selfcarelab.com. So shout out to Chuck. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. But we support these projects that support the Self-Care Lab just by joining the community. Anyways, let's get into this. Oh, this is their chart over here. This is actually decent. Actually decent. Small market cap. Decent. All right. Self-Care Lab right here. Okay. You can donate here. Now let's talk about this ghetto story here because this pisses me off. SamuraiWallet founders arrested and charged with money laundering. Now, why is this a bad thing? Well, code is supposed to be speech. Code is supposed to be protected under the First Amendment right. So if they're coming for code, then they are going to come for anything else that you want to say. The problem with this is that this happened in America. And they're kind of America kind of did with the folks that gaffled up Tornado Cash. So let's cover it over here. So DOJ charged and arrested the SamuraiWallet co-founders with conspiracy to commit money laundering and conspiracy to operate an unlicensed money transmitting business. The website was seized. The press release said the team marketed and operated the crypto mixer, which facilitated more than $100 million in marketing money laundering transactions from illegal dark web markets. Free Ross. This is unfortunate because I don't think mixers are bad. I don't think that they should be illegal. I think it is okay to want to conceal transactions. I think just as long as you're paying taxes and you're not breaking the law, we should be able to have these services. I don't understand why. And you know damn well they aren't using it for that. You know damn well most of the people that are using SamuraiWallet isn't using it for that reason. That's my personal opinion because I know a lot of people in crypto and they pay their taxes. The press release said, Samurai has facilitated approximately $2 billion in unlawful transactions since 2015. Founders collected approximately $4.9 million in fees for their mixing services and both faced 25 years in jail, which is literally Atlas Navi, which is not even enough to put somebody in 25 years from jail. They made only 4.5 billion. And how do you know that they facilitated 2 billion in unlawful transactions since 2015? How do you know that? You don't know that. Unless you can literally prove it on chain, you don't know that. So hopefully they're able to beat these allegations. When I do get some sort of a link to where we can donate, I will be sharing it because I don't think they did anything wrong. I think they created a platform, and if people wanted to be bad on the platform, that's fine. And I said it before. JP Morgan has facilitated bad transactions that harm survivors. But guess what? They got a slap on the wrist. Is Jamie Dimon in jail? No. Or anybody that facilitated those transactions in jail? No. Why? One plus one equals 69. Smash a like and share this. Okay? No Diddy and the Fed. Yeah, no Diddy and the Fed. Taxes are a scam, but on the O Show, we pay our taxes because we're not trying to do any time. So if you want to contact Scott, my CPA, do it. I'm actually going to be dropping a video with him later today, which I'm going to text him right now. Hold up a second. I'm finishing up editing on that video now. I am at the airport. Okay, wonderful. Because I live streaming right now and this is being said live. My audience is really looking forward to seeing the video about the capital gains taxes from you. Scott's so funny. Scott's awesome. Shout out to Scott. Pay your crypto taxes. They're a scam though, but pay them. All right, now Europe tightens crypto regulations with new AML laundering laws. Of course they do. So basically a new regulatory body, AMLA, a new regulatory body because we don't have enough, will oversee compliance. The regulations mainly affect centralized exchanges under MiCA framework, and MiCA enacted in 2023 will become enforceable by the end of this year. The regulations also ban privacy coins and echo provisions from MiCA regulation. See, overstepping, baby, not the two-step. Now we got the stablecoin bill. Stablecoin bill could be ready for the U.S. House soon, says Democrat Maxine Waters. Maxine Waters. She was friends with Sam Bankman-Fried. Oh, you like Scott? Shout out to Callie. Yeah, no, he does good work. Make it rain stable coins on these. Anyways, Germany Central. Wait, what the hell? Oh, Maxine Waters anticipates the finalization of the stablecoin bill. She emphasized the importance of protecting investors and ensuring stable coins have adequate asset backing. Woo, I'm in the race car or the motorcycle. Waters and House Financial Service Committee Chair Patrick McHenry has been negotiating for 22 months, met with Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer to advocate advance in legislation. He's another tool. Oh, we love Chuck. And guess who all these people, I believe all of them received donations from Mr. Sam Bankman-Fried. Food for thought. Store that back here. Next on the roster, the digital euro not expected to debut until 2028 or 2029. German central bank president. Cool. What's a motor? I'm not even gonna ask. Anyways, this is from Meta Lawman, and it's a very important deadline in the SEC versus Coinbase case, and you need to pay attention with this. Okay, so basically, by filing an amicus brief, you are a friend of the court. If you don't become a party to the case, will you assist the court by offering information, expertise, or insight that has a bearing on the issues? And again, Mr. Deaton helped with this. And if you guys are interested in participating in this, you need to, anyone interested in filing an amicus brief in support of Coinbase motion for interlocutory appeal must do so by April 26, 2024. I believe John Deaton is already on this. Thank you so much. But again, if you're an attorney, do it. Why not? Why not? Why not? And we're not going to watch this video. Actually, I'm going to watch it. We're going to watch it. We're going to watch it. We're going to watch it. I hope somebody makes a meme coin called Pause. I forget if it launched or not. Anyways, let's go ahead here. Let's go. Scott's messaging me. He's freaking funny.
4 more years.
Pause. And you know who says pause all the time? Hotep Jesus. Shout out to Hotep Jesus and Uncle Hotep because they've been on the pause train. So I hope somebody makes a meme coin. I'm going to invest in it and I hope it sends. Pause. Anyways. Yeah, we're going to talk about that 44.8% tap capital gains, what that means. Scott is going to give a better explanation, but I'm going to tell you all right now. Capital gains, they're saying it's for the wealthy. Okay. This is a problem though. I think it's like it starts at 400,000. Again, I have to do more research. 400. Okay. Wait, in the 80s, 100,000. I forgot what I was going to say. Anyways, like $100,000 salary, I think in the 80s, or $80,000 salary was approximately worth $200,000 in today's cash. Okay. They are going, because of inflation and the cost of goods skyrocketing, they never go down. An average wage just for people to get by, like the next $100,000 wage is going to be $400,000 in the next 10 to 20 years. Okay. When we're talking about capital gains, that's basically impacting what you can leave to your kids. And then when you retire, and we all know that Social Security is a ghetto mess. So if you're somebody who supports capital gains, don't forget, go back and actually look at the cost of goods and salaries from way back when and see how much it is appreciated in a negative aspect. Okay. So if you like this, I don't know what to tell you. You're going to get wrecked, baby. All right. The percentage of companies have defaulted on their debt more than once reached a second highest level since 2008. Also, Nancy Pelosi. Michael McCall, Republican, bought $700,000 worth of Meta just 2 weeks before voting yes on to ban the TikTok bill. This should not be allowed. And shout out to the Nancy Pelosi stock tracker. This is ridiculous. But that's life. And the TikTok divestment bill has passed. But guess what? Mr. Daddy, the CEO of TikTok, he's going to be fighting for us for Congress. So anyways, that's the show for today. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. Today's a special stream. We shouted out 2 companies that are supporting the self-care lab out of Pomona, California, Montclair, California now. We'd love to get them back in Pomona, California. So thank you guys. Fingers crossed. Sending everybody love and light. WendyO is out. Bye-bye.